We got 4 Beetles. This is an interesting car, because this is a big window car and a ragtop car. It's like a 67 dash. If it's not a graft, it could be a Euro car. Comes with all kinds of goodies. Oh, is that a minnow bucket? I don't have a minnow bucket. Nice. Oh yeah, 12 volt. So this is a 67. I thought it was by the dash knobs and the dash. So, is it a graft? Why, yes it is. You see the pop rivets in there. Well, I had high hopes this was a Euro car. Looks like an old Java green, maybe. It's got Java fenders on it anyway. Got a late model there. What's this, 71 or 72? I can never keep track. Nice patina on this thing though. Uh-oh, it's got my snow tires on it. Oh, it's a super. A big fat hood. I was hoping this one was going to be a standard. She's been in the ground. There's her big old struts. Looking through the GoPro, I didn't even see the snake skin earlier. Looks like somebody got all our motors. They decided to go with the Ronald McDonald paint job on this. Got some wheel adapters in there. No floors, shocker. Oh, well look at that. A fail brochure. Shocker. Oh, the good old days of New England. Having to go through inspection and emissions. All the tricks of getting your car through. Those are the days. And more snake skin. You see, when you look through a GoPro, you miss things like the obvious. Like all the rivets on the roof. So looking at this car now, with no GoPro, it's much clearer. It's got a body tag, guys. It's missing my OEM gas cap. Look at all that. Fun with squares. It's got a body tag though. Just saying. Will it run? No, it won't. Nope. It'll give you good patina though. Now check this out. Slow moving vehicle typically has your safety tape as seen. Never seen that. We'll just, maybe the rockers were so bad we can't close the door and she's really slow, so we'll just go ahead and get the safety tape on there. Let's see if there's anything like worth having in this thing. Even a sledgehammer, we can't even get the hammer. We've got no handle. Sledgehammer's right away. Now this is something you will always find in an old Beetle in New England. It's a spare piece of good quality thick sheet metal also. Guaranteed to, you know, just put that down on your floor. It's a little rusted. With the 67, you also got the 12 volts, so you could really put a system in. Modern, newer ashtray. You can see someone in here took the gauges and the radio. Nice, for you southern folks, a nice maple leaf for you. Got a headlight. Get this out of here. Medusa's head. Looks like we have some contamination. We have Super Beetle parts on our 67. I wouldn't tap on that starter. Still got slice. Glass variety. What are these? Does that say you friggin'? What does that say? You can't say. Can you say that? Oh, that's a new one. We won't unwrap that. Oh, that one's worn away. I don't even know what that is. We got another. Oh, we got a sport steering wheel. Got extra rectifier. We got one right here though. We're good. Nice clutch disc. Oh, there's an old bottle. That looks like Budweiser. Little, again, I call the Coors Factory. Oh, it is Budweiser. You can see the faded label. I call the Coors Beer Brewery a factory, so, you know, I'm just... Well, we won't disturb. I'm just stoked about the minnow bucket, man. Ice fishing season's coming. Probably tire chains. They didn't steal the shift knob, I'm shocked. Probably comes with a current registration. What do you guys think? Am I gonna bring one of these home? Oh, we can hatch minnows in our pond. Right back in our chum bucket. I don't know. I don't know. I know Dubworks is yelling at me right now. Save it! Save it! And just more pop rivet sheet metal. I like this variety. That's thick too. Mud and snow. Oh boy. I'm afraid the whole car will come with it. Little leak there. It's probably a fail sticker. See our bugs off in the distance. More boats. What is this thing? I love the grill. It's got a dual fan action. Hey, the keys are in this one. That's wood. Interesting. God, it's more wood. Oh, look at this. Service. It's all wood in here. Safari window. That's awesome. Wow. Got the little side window here. Not that you can see anything out that with this big monster here, but how cool is this thing? Rockway. Somebody put a new line on that. Well, I went ahead and did the right thing, and I bought it. I'll be back for you. 67.